How to disable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to disable two-step verification on WhatsApp but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings. Then you will be directed to the Settings page. Over here, you will see the option for Account. Tap on it. Now, tap on the option for two-step verification. As you can see, two-step verification is currently turned on. To disable it, tap on the Turn Off option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about disabling the feature. Finally, tap on the Turn Off option. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled two-step verification on WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp won't ask for a PIN whenever you log in. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.